Hello everyone, I am Noor. In this tutorial, we will show how to fix boot manager is missing. Press ctrl+alt+del to restart. For that, we need to boot manager. Enter the boot manager. Okay, then we need to go the BIOS setup. After that, we go to the boot sequence and select the hard drive and choose as a first device and press apply. Friends, you need to select the boot devices as a first device, then apply, then just close. Now waiting for again open PC. You can see our problem is solved. Now boot our Windows. Now we're waiting for open our Windows. Already our Windows is loading. Thanks for watching. You can see our Windows is open successfully. Thanks for watching.